How to fade out audio. To begin, I added a video with an audio attached to it, and I would like to fade the audio. Go to Effects, Expand Audio Transitions, and under Crossfade, there's 3 effects that you can apply. The first one is Constant Gain, which fades the audio at a constant rate over time. Drag and drop Constant Fade into the end of your audio. Now we have an audio that fades. The second one is Constant Power, which is smoother and works by decreasing audio slowly at first and then faster at the end. Drag and drop Constant Power into the end of your audio. The last one is Exponential Fade, which fades in a much sharper manner and is better than the others in most cases. Drag and drop Constant Power into the end of your audio. To change the duration of fade, hover on the end of transition and drag to left or right. For a precise duration, double-click on transition and then enter the duration that you want and click OK. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.